Stop! Vaping! Vaping is the inhaling of an aerosol or mist created by an electronic cigarette or another vaping device. It has an addictive content, which is the nicotine. It makes people get addicted easily and have a hard time to get rid in vaping. The worst thing is, even the minor is engaging to this kind of habits. And they were doing this in school, which is disturbing for other students. Being addicted to vaping doesn't end your life. There are ways on how you can get rid of these habits. Step 1. Identify some alternative coping skills. For example, do the things you love like basketball, volleyball, and dancing. Step 2. Tell your loved ones and enlist support. Moral support from your family, friends, love life is important to make your determination in changing your life get higher. Step 3. Get rid of vaping products. As much as possible, don't involve yourself from these products because the more you use this, the more you can't get enough of it until you can get rid of these habits anymore. And lastly, talk with a therapist or review online resources. Practice quitting by doing a test run a day or two at a time. A specialist knows what is the best or the most efficient way to stop yourself from craving, and you have to consult them to make sure if you get an illness from it.
Wait, they don't want you, I got you. Wait.